put in them hours, I'ma make it harder. I'm sending big
Team 60, how you feeling? Looking fly in your top Ferrari?
Thank you, we're so happy to be here.
We're happy that you're here with us. Are you ready for Tokyo?
Yes, we are.
They are Team 114, looking like they're coming straight out of Ferrari. Is it Crocodile Dundee in it?
This is really Jurassic Park, believe me.
Oh, we have Jurassic Park in the house. Team 114, are you ready for Tokyo? Team 45, how you feeling in your red Ferrari?
Very great, thank you.
Is your top matching your car?
Yeah, absolutely.
Are you ready for Tokyo? Oh, my favorites, the Mountains. Team 74, father and son combo, representing in a Union Jack waistcoat. My bad. Team 110. Your rap is superb. How you feeling? Team 50 didn't really want to stop for us, so we'll let him go. Team 118, how are you? Are you guys ready for this epic journey to Tokyo? Team 134, we have some more Swedes in the house. How are you?
We're doing great.
See you in Tokyo. London, give it up for Team 79. They're giving away giveaways, so please make some noise. Team 21, you can't just go without saying hi to me.
I'm very hot and looking forward.
You ready for Tokyo? Anything you want to say to London?
Just thanks everyone for coming out and making it really special for us all.
Give it up for Team 111, you charming men. Come on.
But we in it. I'm not those.
See you in Tokyo, Team 111.
I'm not gonna change. Messy. I just want you and your bestie. I don't gotta answer for whenever you text me. Your multiple choices, you don't wanna test me.
Team 129 looking fly. How are you guys? You guys ready for Tokyo?
She told me that she loved that I'm in.
Are you guys ready?
I told her I would let her see the blood. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
Oh, Team 06. How are you guys? Team 08. Looking comfortable, looking slick in your Ranger. Make some noise, please, London, for Team 43. Team 63, looking fly in your Ferrari. How are you guys? Anything you want to say to this lovely London crowd?
Thanks for coming out for us.
You hear that? London, give it up for Team 63 in the Ferrari! Wow.
Enough noise?
That's perfect. London, we love you guys. See you in Tokyo.
I get those goosebumps every time you come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything fun. Worry about those calls.
Team 71, looking fly in your drop-top Ferrari. How are you, you glamorous couple?
Doing awesome, glad to be here.
Well, are you going to give us some noise for the crowds? London, please make some noise for Team 70. Team 24. Ken Griffey Jr., what up? This could be my favorite song.
Don't get misinformed. Worry about those calls. I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need the high, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps. Give me chance, my girl, you see.
Hey, nothing on.
Team 85, Team Texas. How are you, fellas? Brandon, wow. Brandon, make some noise to Team Texas! Nice of you guys to join us. How are you guys? You want to say anything to them? Six. Team Texas. How are you guys? You guys are rolling things. How many cars are there in Team Texas this year?
So we've got 6 rallying all together from the state. 3 in our group and 3 more hanging out with us.
Texas always represents us. They're not mucking around. Team 141, how are you feeling? Team 140. Where do you guys be? Team 37. It looks like a lot of horsepower and a very long. Team 92. How are you guys?
Good, everything's great.
What is your team name?
She said she wanted something.
Team 120, how you feeling? Very good. What is your team name? Great. In the red Ferrari, the twins are here. How are you guys? Oh, what? I am so sorry. We have some celebrities. Team number 2, we have Grammy award-winning producer, superstar DJ Rockers, and Dallas Austin. How are you, Robert? We London, give it up for these Jillionnaire. How are you guys?
How you doing, London? You guys here? Are you with us? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Team 122. Team 56. You know how to call this dude out here with a fly lady hanging out in your sunroof? Hello, Team 93. How are you?
Excellent. Very nervous. Very nervous.
Give it up for Team 31! I'll see you in Tokyo, man. Las Vegas. Team 144.
I don't need introduction. Right to the left, swing to the right.
In the racing red. Looking like an insect with wings. What's up? Team. We have a few Trinis on the rally. You and Jillionnaire, right?
Yeah, we're doing it, man.
Doing it. All the way from Portland, Spain. Give it up for Team 66 Lamborghini. If you want to make some noise, if you want to burn some rubber, now is your time. London, give it up for Team 66. Hello, hello. Team 137. This is the guy we've all been waiting for, actually. Hip-hop UK legend. Okay. You guys are looking at it.
Not even taking a chance. I'm doing 10 in a week. How long I've been on the street? You don't know nothing about me. Life on my brothers is deep. Long as they